Hello everyone, welcome back to Cogni Solver. So yeah, in this video we're gonna talk about a quiz application. This quiz application will made using JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript, as we already have discussed about it in our previous videos and in our development series as well. So we'll continue that discussion through this video. That is, we're gonna make a quiz application, a simple quiz application with kind of a UI friendly features with this. Okay, so let's see what we actually gonna make, how it gonna look like. So as you can already see on your screens that we have this beautiful radial gradient background, and then this card kind of thing is there. Then we have this heading, cognitive quiz, then the question, then we have 4 options, we have a hover effect on them, 2 buttons, next and skip. We can skip a question or we can click next, but as you can see, click is next is now disabled. So until unless we click any one of the options, that is, you have to choose the option, then only we can click next, and in real time our score will be updated. Okay, so and at this right top corner we can see our current question number and total question number, and this is a reset button, and yeah, this is our theme change button, we can say it. So we can toggle between dark mode and light mode. So when you click on it, so see the UI got changed. So now we are in dark mode, so this icon got changed, a color, the background got changed, and it is more suitable for a dark mode kind of thing, correct? So yeah, let's try this, how it works. So let me just take, okay, which element has a chemical symbol O? We already know, right? Oxygen. So I clicked oxygen. So since oxygen is a correct answer, that's why oxygen, option oxygen, is having background color as green. Else or all rest of the options they are converted into red backgrounds. Okay, let's click next. So one thing you noticed, when I click the option, then only this next button got activated, and this skip button is now deactivated because now I can't skip this question because I have already attempted it, right? So yeah, my score is 1 now. I click on next. So this is a new question. Now see here, next button is disabled. I cannot move to next, means I cannot submit it, but I can skip this question. So if I click on skip, this question will be changed and the next question will appear. So you can see the counter here. Now it's question number 2. I'll click skip for your reference. So yeah, I skipped. Now we are on a question number 3, but our score is still 1, and that question we skipped. Question number 2 we skipped. So let's see what who wrote The Great Gatsby. Okay, honestly I don't know the answer. So let's just take anyone, suppose maybe Jane Austen. No. So it's F. Scott Fitzgerald. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Yeah. So as you can see, it is very much reactive because it simultaneously checks that you whatever option you chosen, is it correct or not, and updates the score. Since it is wrong option we chosen option D, so our score did not get added up, but we can move to next, of course. Which planet is known as a red planet? Of course we know, Mars, right? So now my score got updated to 2. To next. Okay, so we have a total 29 questions right now. I have added. You can add as many as you can. Okay, so okay, let's just skip to the end. Okay, I want to show you the last thing. Okay, skip. Let's answer this last question. What is the capital of Brazil? Capital of Brazil, I think Rio de Janeiro. Okay, it's Brasilia. I don't know. I think there is some issues with the data. Please guys comment down if this answer is correct or not. I believe this is not, maybe. Okay, we'll see. Next, who developed the theory of general relativity? Okay, Albert Einstein. Everyone knows it. Next, who discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming, I guess. Correct. In which year did the Titanic sink? Okay guys, I don't know yet. I'm not a big movie fan. Maybe 1930. 1912. Okay. Which country? The Great Barrier Reef. Yeah, I know it. It's Australia maybe. Correct. What is the largest continent by land area? It's Asia. But now see, we have at the last question. So as soon as I chose Asia, so it's correct answer, right? Score 6. If I click on next, then this quiz should be ended. Clicking on next, yeah, it is ended now. But it says, oops, you did not completed the quiz. You answered only 6 questions correctly out of 29 questions. So what I have did, I have kept a criteria of to pass this quiz, that is 70%. You have to answer 70% questions correctly, then only you will pass the quiz. Okay, now since the quiz is ended now, so you can restart from here, or you can click this reset button to restart it now. Remember, this reset button you can click at any point of time while playing the quiz, but its restart button is only at the end of the quiz. Okay, let me just give you an example. I clicked restart, so quiz is now restarted. Okay, now I'm choosing just normal random options. Okay, now suppose I don't want to play it, so what we can do, we can do a reset here. I don't want to go to question number 29 up till to 29. I want to reset now. I just click on reset. It will reset, and you will notice that each time the questions will be different, like the sequence of the questions. For this instance, I'm getting what is the author, who is the author of To Killing a Mockingbird as in first question. But if I reset this form, this quiz application, so now see, the first question is, what is the largest moon in our solar system? So what I'm doing in the background is basically I'm shuffling the questions. Out of 29 questions, I'm shuffling them each time this quiz is loading. Okay, so that's how that is being done. We'll also see in the tutorial videos of it. Yeah, so that's pretty much. If you'll pass the quiz, it will say congratulations and all. Okay, let me quickly pass this quiz for you. Okay guys, so I'm now on question number 28. So what is the currency of Japan? It's yen, I think. Yeah. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? It's Japan again. Okay, let's see. Yeah, congratulations, if you have completed the quiz. You correctly answered 23 out of 29 questions. So yeah, that's how this quiz is going to be. Really exciting, right? This UI is also, it's pretty cool looking. And yeah, we can restart again. So yeah, that's this is what we're gonna build guys in this tutorial basically. So this is going to be part by part. We'll first make the simple quiz, then we'll enhance the UI, then we'll add this then we'll learn how to add this theme changing effect in your website or web applications. That is how to switch between dark and light. And one thing, I don't know you noticed or not, if it is I have chosen as dark mode, and whenever and how much I refresh my page, it will stay on the dark. So how it is happening, we'll also get to know. Basically, what I'm doing, I'm setting my theme variable in my session storage, and then pulling out that session storage theme variable, and changing my theme based on that on a refresh of the page. Okay, so yeah, so that's so in this video, or maybe we can in this tutorial, we'll learn pretty much use of JavaScript, that a little power of JavaScript, because JavaScript is a very powerful language, and we'll get to know some gist of it in this quiz application tutorial. Okay guys, and see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding and keep learning.